Hi everyone, welcome back again. So today in this video, we will see about the inner joins. So if you have not watched the previous video about joins, so I would recommend you that please watch that video before seeing this. So let's start and understand what is inner join. So let's say we have two sets, set A and set B. And set 1 contains the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and set B contains elements 2, 5, 4. Okay, so the inner join is equivalent to intersection of two sets. Okay, so if we do intersection, what we will get? Whatever common between these two tables. So what is common? Element 2 is in both table, element 5 is in both the tables, and element 4 is in both the tables. So we will get output of only set containing element 2, 5 and 4. Okay. So similarly, this thing happens in a table. So if we replace A with table 1 and B with table 2, then if we apply joins on these two tables on some particular columns, then only those records will come in the output which are common in both the tables. Now let's see the syntax for inner join. So the syntax for inner join is select, then pass the column names. After that we have to write from and then pass the first table, table 1, and give it a alias of t1, and after that pass inner join table 2 and also give a alias here on, then pass the column names on which are common in both the tables, and you want to perform join based on those two columns. So t1 dot column 1 is equal to t2 dot column 1. Let's say column 1 common in both the table. Now let's see how inner join works practically. So let's say we have two tables. First table is a employee table which contains details about a employee, uh, which is employee ID, employee name and department ID. And the second table is department table which is containing department ID and department name. And we want result in such a way that we want employee ID and his or her department name, but there is a condition that he must be working in any department which is listed here. So for that we have to do inner join. Okay, so let's see how we will perform inner join on these two tables. For that we will write select, and let's say first we will do a star. That means we want all the columns from those both the tables. Okay, select a star from, and we will pass the name of first table emp and give it a alias of e, and after that we will write inner join, and what is the name of second table? It is dept, and give it also a alias of d, and we will perform inner join on which column you think that join will perform, because department id is common in the employee table and also in department table. So department id we can perform join. So on e dot department id is equal to d dot department id, and if we run this query, so this is the result. If we run this query and we want all the column names from both the tables, but we only want employee id from first table and department name from the second table. So for that we will write e dot emp id, and from the second table which we give a alias of d, we will write d dot department name. Okay, and if we run it again, we can you can see that for employee ID1 his department ID is IT, for employee ID2 his or her department ID is HR, and so on. So hope you have understood how to use inner joins practically, and also I have discussed its theory part in the previous video. So if you have not watched that video, please watch that, and after that see this to understand clearly. So hope you have understood all the theory and practical parts. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. We will meet in next video.